Today, let's unlock the production process of spicy strips. Before entering the production workshop, workers must change into work clothes, dust off, wash their hands, disinfect, and follow strict operating procedures. Only then can they wear masks and gloves and pass through the air shower room. To enter the production area, wheat, flour, sugar, edible salt, natural colorants, and other ingredients are mixed with water in the right proportions. Then, the mixture is placed into the puffing machine. The heat generated by the machine's rotation squeezes the food. When the cooked food is extruded, the heat released from inside causes it to expand rapidly. This gives us the spicy strip dough. The long spicy strips are transported on a conveyor belt to cool down. With such long strips, the annual production could circle the earth many times for easier consumption. The strips are cut into small sections of equal length. They are conveyed on the transport belt to pass through an oil fryer. The spicy strips are mixed with different seasonings for various flavors. These include sweet and spicy, sour and spicy, and numbing spicy, among others. Delicious spicy strips are then ready to hit the market.